y'all, welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. On today's look, I'm doing this fun and festive 4th of July look. Happy 4th everyone. So yeah, just wanted to do something fun and festive, of course. So yeah, enjoy the video guys and watch how I create this fun and festive 4th of July look. The primer I'm going to use is my No Problem Prime Essence by Touch and Soul. I received this in my BoxyCharm. This is going to be my first time trying it. So it's liquidy. Feels great on the skin. It just feels like you're putting on a serum. So I know I'm going to like this primer. Okay, starting off with foundation. So the foundation I'm using, the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation again. And if you guys saw my other video, you saw that I was saying that this foundation may be a little too dark for my skin tone. So what I'm going to do is mix it with the I Am Magic concealer that I got. And the foundation is in Nairobi 410 and the concealer is in number 13. I think it's a nice little blend. I guess I started doing it like that. I like that together. Doesn't make me look too dark or too red. So that kind of evened it out by mixing it with the concealer. So for the concealer, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer in number 13. Okay, so for the contour, I'm just going to use a little bit of my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in number 490. The setting powder, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier setting powder. And I'm just applying it with my damp beauty sponge instead of the poof. Okay, so I'm going to use my Tarteist Pro Glow palette. Look at this, y'all. So nice. So it's the cheek colors, highlight, and bronzer colors. So I'm going to use all of them. Let's see. I'm going to use Backstage. And for the blush and the highlight, I'm going to use A-Lister and Dance Floor. So I just use that whole row right there. Contour, of course, my gradients. Do I have any? For the brows, I'm using my F Cosmetics brow pencil in the color Deep Brown. Okay, brows are done, so now time to get to the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm just gonna do like a simple red, white, and blue liner, you know, keep it festive. The eyeshadow, I'm just gonna do something my skin tone. So I'm going to use my Tarte eyeshadow palette, Be You Naturally. So this came in my BoxyCharm as well. I'm going to be using this, and the color I'm going to be using is Explore. So this is more of a neutral color, closer to my skin tone. I'm just going to place that all over my lid. So for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use Dusk. Now for my liner, what I'm going to do is use my Mayron Paradise AQ palette. So I'm going to be using the red, the white, and the blue. So first I'm going to do white. I'm going to do the liner kind of thick. Well, my shellac just chipped. Cut this finger and chip the shellac on this. For mascara, I'm going to try this Trestique Good Vibes mascara. And it is so cool because it have like your lash curler right here. Then you open it up. And it's your mascara. So cool. Okay, so now time for the mascara part. Oh wow, I love this mascara. Yes. This is a really good mascara. I like the brush on it too. Gives your lashes volume and length. Yeah, I try to patch my nail back on. It's barely staying. I'm gonna go ahead and do the lips, and then I'll do the lashes off camera and come back. So for the lips, I'm gonna use, I'm gonna do a kind of like a flag look or whatever on my lips. So the bottom of my lip is going to be red and the top is going to be blue. So the top part, I'm going to use that same blue that I use in my Mayron palette. And then for the bottom part of my lip, the red, I'm going to use my Dope Queens Cosmetics in Cheeky Booty Shorts. I'm going to need some more of this. This is like the bomb red lipstick, y'all. Okay, so for the bottom, I'm going to add white stripes. And I'm going to do that with my NYX white liquid liner. Okay, so I did stripes. Now I'm gonna do just some little stars at the top. So for the setting spray, I'm using the Skin & Company, the Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Spray. This spray is amazing, guys. And it feels so good on the skin when you spritz it on the skin. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lashes off camera and I'll be back with the completed look. Of course, I had to make it more festive and add the red wig. But this is the completed look. Let me know what you guys think of my festive 4th of July look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click on that bell so you can receive notifications each and every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys enjoy your 4th of July. Be safe and stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed, guys. Bye.